In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove background in Affinity Designer. If you're working on a graphic and need a transparent background for overlays, stickers, or web assets, this quick walkthrough will show you two simple ways to do it. One that's non-destructive, and one that permanently removes the background. We'll keep things straightforward so you can get clean results without digging through menus. Start by opening the Affinity Designer app and loading the document you want to edit. Once your file is open, look to the right side of the workspace for the Layers panel. This is where every object in your document is listed, stacked from top to bottom. Find the layer that represents your background. It's often called background, but it could also be a solid rectangle or a pixel layer sitting at the bottom of the stack. Click it to make sure it's selected so your changes affect the correct layer. The easiest and safest way to remove the background visually is to hide it. With the background layer selected, locate the eye icon next to that layer in the panel and click it to turn the visibility off. As soon as you do this, the background will disappear from your canvas, revealing transparency behind your artwork. Depending on your view settings, you may see a checkerboard pattern indicating transparency. This method is reversible, so if you need the background back for any reason, like previewing how your design looks on white, just click the eye again to make it visible. If you're sure you don't need the background anymore and want to simplify your file, you can remove it entirely. With the background layer still selected, click the delete or trash icon in the Layers panel. This permanently removes the layer from your document, which keeps your file clean and ensures there's no background at all. If you accidentally delete the wrong layer, use undo right away to bring it back. If you find you can't delete the layer because of restrictions, keep the hide method in mind as a reliable alternative. That's it. Hiding the background is ideal when you want flexibility and a non-destructive workflow, while deleting it is great for finalizing assets and reducing clutter. When you export to formats that support transparency, like PNG or SVG, the transparent background will be preserved. Use whichever approach fits your project and you'll have a clean, background-free design ready for use.